So maybe tell how old are you first, so everybody knows.
I'm 6 years old. My name is Ezra.
Let's talk about flying. You like space, right?
Yeah.
What do you like about space?
I love gravity.
What's gravity?
Gravity's cool.
What is it?
It's type of thing
Uh-huh.
made with gas or air.
Okay.
Really?
Oh, you asking me?
Yeah. What is it? You do it first.
Yeah, remember we were talking about gravity, what, 3 days ago? How
No, 3 days ago. That was yesterday.
yesterday. Yeah, Diddy has a bad memory. The gravity, different planets have different gravity.
Yeah.
So you can jump higher than the moon.
Much higher.
Much higher. And on Jupiter you can't jump at all. The bigger the planet, the bigger the gravity. Remember?
So if you go to the smallest planet,
Yeah.
you can jump like
Crazy high.
like 100 meters.
Yeah. That's cool. Remember we're talking about the space is flat?
Yeah.
And then because it's like a flat sheet,
Yeah.
if the planet is heavier, then it just indents more, so it bends
Yeah.
time and space.
Yeah, because it bends the space, right?
Yeah.
Bends. Space is like more down. So if you can push it down,
Yeah.
just you can go to the past and
If you can
future.
bend it. Oh wow, that's cool. Yeah, if you can somehow bend the sheet, then you can go through time.
Yeah.
Would you love that?
Yeah,
What would
I
you
would love it.
would you go in the past or in the future?
Future
Okay.
and past.
Both. Yeah, if you can choose. See dinosaurs?
Yeah, I will see dinosaurs. But the problem is, how do you get out from the past or from the future?
Well, if you can bend space, maybe you can bend space again. I don't know.
Maybe.
So you want to go to space or no?
Yeah, I love space.
What are you going to do there?
I don't know. We need the rocket.
We need the rocket. How are we going to build one or are we going to use one?
I can do anything.
I know. So are we going to build one?
Yeah, I think so.
Because you like building.
Yeah, so I'll build one.
Yeah. And then just go.
But the problem, I have to send it, on a small wheel. I have to send the rock.
Send where? To space?
Because, where I'm gonna build it?
Well, you need like a big field, right? Just find a field.
Like a giant field. Just do it around the rice fields.
Well, rice fields are not ideal because they are not flat and the people will not like it. You're building a rock in the rice fields, but I mean,
Rice fields are the most biggest thing, that's grows.
in Bali.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we can go somewhere else. There are other places that have let's say there's a football field. So you just need like probably 5 of those football fields so you can put your rocket. That's it.
What? And then we have to connect them?
Well, we just find a land big enough that is flat, or we can make it flat.
How?
Well, you tell me, you're a builder. What's your plan?
Just gonna launch them. People help me to launch.
Uh-huh.
I'll create a tiny rocket. Just a small one.
Okay.
Like our size for me.
Yeah.
Fit in. I'll just fly by myself. But I'll bring lots of stuff.
Like what?
Like each time, I will build one small space station.
Yep.
So I can, like a house for scientists.
Yeah.
So they can live on the moon, and then they can discover about the space, moon.
You want them to live on the
Explain.
moon, not
Yeah.
in space.
Because space station is in the moon, right?
No.
I'm in the space. My mama told me that the last rocket that just came back.
From the moon.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they don't have people. I think they did not launch it with people yet again. Because they launched the rocket, I think it was called Apollo, if I'm not mistaken. And Apollo launched astronauts to the moon. Then they came back. And they haven't launched anybody to the moon for like so many years. So they're trying to do it now again.
Yeah, so the last moon mission was Apollo 17 in 1972.
Yeah, so that was like 50 years
Yeah,
ago.
53 years ago.
A long time ago.
They launched it, you mean?
Yeah, they went to the moon 53 years ago. So they didn't go to the moon after that.
Why?
It's a good question. I think one reason probably is money. Like it costs a lot of money to send people. Some people say they saw something strange in the moon and they don't want to come back, but I don't know if it's true or not.
Then I'm gonna see what's strange in it.
Yeah,
When I come, I'm not gonna be strange. I'm gonna see what's the strange thing.
yeah, you should do that. When are you going?
I don't know. I can go anytime.
You're free. What about school? Take a break?
Well, now it's holidays.
Yeah, I can go now. I just still don't have a rocket though.
We can just go. We'll pay money for us to go in the rocket ship.
Oh,
We'll rent a rocket ship.
rent a rocket ship.
Not rent, but like people will just send us.
Why not? But aren't you afraid of going so fast? It's a crazy fast.
Nope.
No? And then you have to stay in a small place? You're good? I think moon is quite far. It's like few weeks you need to stay in a rocket ship. You okay with that?
Yeah. But what's it do in the rocket ship?
Well, you look outside, look in the space, then play Uno maybe?
Yeah, and then the Uno is like flying.
Uno flying, yeah, that's a problem.
But we can there's a special, we can just stick some special thing that will keep the Uno together, something that will like a belt that will connect the Uno to the table,
Yeah,
to the floor, and then in each card you put it sticks with the belt. It goes even more up.
that's a good idea. Yeah,
And it also holds the take card, so when you take,
yeah.
it's still closed. It opens closed when you want to take.
I'm sure somebody played Uno in a spaceship. They probably have ideas. Maybe magnets. I don't know if magnets work in there. Yeah, I don't know if
Or
magnets work.
rocks.
Or rocks. Yeah, put a rock on top, but rocks are also flying.
Why? What?
There's no gravity. Zero gravity.
So anything can fly?
Anything will fly. That's why if the stable were there, it would be fly as well. So you have to like
How
screw
about
it.
the most heaviest thing in the world?
I think still would fly, just not as high. It's like your
How about why the moon is not flying?
because it's magnetized. It's flying in space, but I think it's like a magnet to the Earth.
So you mean like wherever the Earth goes, the moon goes?
So to answer your question about the playing cards in the space, they will use Velcro. They will use like when you have the shoes, you know, the
Yeah.
sticky.
Ah, they have sticky things. You know how you stick to your when you close your shoes? An open shoes, the sticky thing. They just put sticky things on a table, and this is how they play cards. So it sticks to the table.
But you said anything can fly.
Yeah, but the table is screwed to the floor.
Yeah, it's all fixed.
The rocket, inside the rocket is, outside the rocket is gravity. How can it be so powerful that the gravity cannot push the rocket and float it? Cannot float around.
It flows around as soon as it leaves the Earth.
Yeah.
Because imagine the Earth is like a big magnet that pulls us to the floor. That's called gravity, in the simple terms. And once you go outside of Earth,
You're just,
nothing pulls you anymore. So everything is just flying. Even the rocket ship doesn't have any weight. It just floats around, and they use these engines to put in the right place, and then it just flows.
but why then the sun is pretty, like the sun, you can go through it or you can't.
The sun?
But if something couldn't burn from the sun, could it go through it?
Sun is, I think, made of gas, which Chris will double check. We're having a
Yeah.
cosmology quiz here. I think sun is made of gas, but I would assume that inside of it is still a core. So you probably can go through to the core if you don't burn.
Oh, you're gonna burn.
Is there any planet that like we can go through that people never been or they've been, like to go through without burning, without freezing? Expect air in Earth.
It depends on the gas. I mean, probably in the whole universe, there's the planet you can go through, but I think a lot of those gas planets, it's still, if it doesn't burn you in one way, the gas are still can be toxic, so it can just eat your spaceship. So it depends. But there's probably a planet with a gas that you can go through.
I will go with, if I can go to space, I'll just ask the people to send me to that planet, and I'll just take a piece of glass,
Yeah,
take the glass, close it,
and bring
and
it.
I'll bring it to the Earth. Then scientists will discover it.
That's a great idea.
Or I will discover some of the toxic things that, but some way.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Maybe because there's everything the toxic one can eat, right? Can eat anything.
The
Toxic gas.
Yeah, probably can eat most of the things, yeah.
Is there anything that it cannot eat?
Maybe
In
there's some
space,
maybe there's some
right?
metals that are too strong for it, but it depends on the gas. I don't know what gases are on Uranus, for example. I have no idea, but the planet is made of gas. So the other thing is that you know which planets did we visit as the
Nope.
humans? We didn't visit any planets. We sent the robots to Mars. You know that?
That's the only one.
Yeah, and that's it. Some planets are just too far. It takes like the whole lifetime to get to them, unless we can solve the problem of speed of light. We can go so fast that the time stops. Probably aliens maybe do that. Do you believe in aliens or no?
Yeah.
So if aliens will come, how can they come from so far? So maybe they just go super fast, faster than speed of light, or as you say, they bend the space-time and just whoop. We
And I
like to
can go
see,
forward
yeah,
to the future because in the future I will go to space.
okay,
So if I go forward to the future, I'm already in space.
yeah. It's one way to do it.
And my friends, Jude
Yeah,
is my friend. He said that her friend or some for family seen an alien.
really?
He seen was the spaceship of the alien.
Yeah, UFO.
Yeah, he saw it
Okay,
every night.
every night. Where was it? You know?
No, but he told me I don't really believe. I believe a little bit.
Okay. Why don't believe?
I believe a little bit because what else could it be in nighttime?
I don't know. Could be a drone. Could be a kite. Could be a rocket.
But I think he saw it closely.
Oh. Yeah, if you see it closely, it's probably an alien ship.
I'm gonna ask.
Did he see aliens or just a ship?
He just saw a ship.
Okay. Would you like to see a ship?
Yeah,
Will you be scared or no?
kind of.
Mm-hmm.
But if I see it, I'm gonna be like scared. But then I'm gonna like tell. I'm gonna be quiet. I'm not gonna scream because I wanna. Then I'm gonna, Daddy, I found an alien. Then he's gonna see it, and then he's gonna take a picture, and then we're gonna send it to scientists. And then scientists maybe will find more clues.
Yes. Yeah, because nobody really has a good, well, maybe some people do, but we haven't seen a good picture of aliens if they exist, so that's why we don't know.
But remember the story of the alien spaceship? One of my friends said that he saw it. He was there, her family.
Really?
Yeah, he said it was true.
Nice.
I
Okay.
believe her.
Okay, that's cool. So,
They said they saw it. That was in that time.
so at least two of your friends saw aliens and alien ships already.
They remember the story when like the alien crashed and then he went to the doctor. Remember that story?
Yeah, there was a story in Brazil.
Yeah.
How do you know that?
You told me that, remember?
Oh no. Yes.
And my friend was in that time.
In Brazil?
Yeah, I think so. Her family saw it.
This is crazy. Wow. And how did the alien look like? Did they say?
No.
But did they see an alien or a ship? Or you don't remember?
I couldn't really know, but I think they saw both of it because when when it's crashing,
Yeah.
it's like, and then it just broke down, right?
Yeah.
But baby, they were just walking. They didn't see it on the air.
Uh-huh.
So maybe they just saw the alien.
This is cool.
Or maybe they just saw the spaceship because it might go far away, crash.
Yeah.
But then, I don't know if it's really an alien. Because they didn't tell me. I didn't see it, so.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you don't see it for yourself, it's hard to believe because you don't know many people see something else, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we're always asking questions. Just to find out, like, is
Yeah,
that...
like a story when the guy found that the earth is flat.
Uh-huh.
He asked them many questions.
You mean the guy who found out that the earth is round? Because before people believed the earth is flat. Is that what you're saying? You know, some people still believe that the earth is flat. Do you know that?
No.
There's the whole like bunch of people, they call themselves flat earthers. Essentially, people say that all this, what you see, the images of the space is not real. And they believe that you can walk somewhere and then there's like an end of the earth and then you can literally jump from the earth to space.
It's cool. I wish that would be possible.
I wish too, but...
So I could just like walk there, look at all the space.
Yeah. I knew one guy. He was very smart. And at one point he's like, I have to tell you something. And I'm like, tell me. He was like an adult guy from somewhere I met. And I'm not going to say because he might be watching this. He would be like, the earth is flat. I believe that. I'm like, okay. And then we had this conversation. He would be like, no, everybody's lying to you. The earth is flat. And I'm like, unlikely. So there are some people believe in different things. It doesn't mean that we need to believe what they believe in, but you know,
We can believe whatever we want to believe.
100%. Yes. You want to show your knitting? Here you go. So tell me about it.
So, like, when you knit, it depends on the string and on the stick.
Yeah.
If you knit that, there's different type. Type I know is like this.
Okay.
It's easy, but it's easy to make accidents
Okay.
for knitting. So I knitted this all by myself.
Crazy.
No help
No help.
at all.
Amazing. Good job, buddy.
I did it for about a month,
Okay.
1 month,
Yeah.
just making that. And I made, I made actually about 12 colors,
Yeah.
more than 10 rows.
More than 10 rows. Very cool.
Because I think in each color, there's about 5 rows.
Nice.
Yeah, 5 rows.
Very cool. All right.
What are you planning to use that one for? Is it for your cat or for mommy for cooking or what?
I'm going to make something out of it. Something. I
Okay.
don't know what.
Amazing. Cool.
Yeah.
So then, thank you for coming and sharing your stories. We had a good chat.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Thank you, too. I like it.
Amazing. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.